In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add support and resistance levels with breaks in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have the chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a forex pair, a crypto chart, or any other asset you're watching. It's best to have your time frame already selected, whether that's the 5-minute, 1 hour, or daily chart. So the indicators you add are immediately relevant to how you trade. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and click on the indicators button. This is usually located above the chart area. Clicking this will open the indicators and strategies panel, which is where you can search for and apply any tools you want to use on your chart. When the indicators panel appears, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box to activate it. This is where you'll type in the name of the indicator you're looking for. In our case, you want to look for support and resistance levels with breaks. Start typing that phrase slowly and let TradingView suggest matches as you go. Be as accurate as you can with the name so you find the right script quickly. As you type, you'll see a list of indicators appear below the search box. Look through the list until you find one that clearly mentions support and resistance levels with breaks. Once you see it, simply click on the name of the indicator. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart and you should start seeing horizontal levels drawn automatically. These levels are designed to highlight key areas where price has previously stalled, reversed, or consolidated. And the with breaks part usually means the indicator will also help you visualize when price is breaking through those zones, potentially signaling a change in market behavior. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart and observe how those levels line up with previous highs, lows, and consolidation areas. This can give you more confidence in planning entries, exits, and stop loss placements. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, remember that I have an affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and also unlocks the full power of TradingView's tools, including smoother charts, more indicators per chart, and better overall performance, which makes working with support and resistance indicators much easier and more efficient.